Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. You guys, it's been so long since I've seen you. I miss doing my videos, you guys. Life has just been crazy. Like, unreal crazy. But, y'all, I gotta move on. So, this is what we're doing today. Y'all, I have been looming. I've been looming my butt off, making a ton of knit projects. The one that we're going to be doing today is we are going to be creating some ear warmers, or you could turn it into a headband depending on the type of yarn that you use. I'm going to do like an ear warmer. So I'm going to use this blanket yarn, but you could use regular yarn as well. This is what I was going to do at first. I might still do it. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'll do the blanket yarn another time. Although I did just recently use the blanket yarn to create some slippers for me and my daughter. You guys, it turned out so good. So because the pegs are like kind of spaced apart, and this is for thicker yarn, I'm going to double it up by using both of these. And I also, you guys, like I said, I've been looming my butt off, so I've been just investing in this. This is one of those yarn tools, and it is very helpful. That, you know, helps you go around your loom. And I also invested in the yarn bow. You guys, I love it. And it has one of these. I got this from Michael's, I think, a couple days ago, and I've been using it ever since. I love it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and get set up, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I just wanted to come on here and show you guys what it looks like. This is going to be the headband. Now this one is cinched in the middle. You can leave it as is, but you guys, I made a ton of these. The first time I made this and wore it to work, to the school, everyone immediately asked me like, oh my god, that's so cute, where did you get it? You guys, I had like a big order. Okay, I had a big order. I had to get home, get to making headbands, and, you know, sold them the next day. They were gone. So this is also something good that you can make that can sell in your shop, whether it's the ear warmer version or the headband version. You could do both depending on you know, depending on what yarn you use. So I'm going to go ahead and just start with a slip knot. Slip knot doesn't have to have a long tail. Okay, now I will tell you this. This is where it is up to you. How many pegs you choose will be the wideness of your headband. I usually use anywhere from like 8 to like 12. Or I've done 14 before. It was really thick. I did do 14. I think I'm going to do 10. Yeah, I think I'm going to do 10 rows. So, I'm just going to do a simple cast on. Get my bowl out the way. And all we're going to do, put this on the inside, is just go behind each peg and around the front. Behind and around the front. Just like that. Until you get to however many rows it is that you want. How many? I said 1, 2, 3. Okay. Just like that. And then you want to push these down. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go right back. So you're going to wrap that one in the front. The one that's already wrapped, the last one. You're going to come to the front and do the next one from behind, if that makes sense. So let's do that again. Alright, so now that everything has 2 wraps on it, you're going to take the bottom one from the first one and loop it over. And just tug on the little tail part just a little bit just to tighten it up. And you're going to do the same thing for all of them. Take the bottom, turn it up. Except for when you get to the very last one, this one, leave it be. Do not take that one up. So let's push these down just a little bit. Now we have our working yarn all the way back at the beginning. And what we're going to do is, I believe they're called purl stitches. That's what we're going to do going back. And so to do that, you're going to take your hook and you're going to bring your yarn up and out like that to where you have a loop. And you're going to take that loop, you're going to take the yarn completely off the peg and take this loop and hook it on and tighten. Let's do that to the next one. Take it completely off, put the loop back on and pull tight. And keep doing that till you get to the end. So we are now at this end and you should still have your 2 wraps on that one. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the bottom 2, hook it over. Same time you hook it over, you're going to take your working yarn, wrap it going towards the front to the back, and wrap it again. Push these down. Now we're just repeating the same process all over. You're not going to wrap this one, but you're going to start from this way, wrapping them all. This is why I used the pen. I forgot to put my pen on. Okay, so you got 2 wraps on all of them again. You can go ahead and flip them all up. And then after we're done flipping them all up, we are going to continue with the purl stitch like we did previously. Bring your working yarn to the front. Remember, you're going to make that loop, take it off, put the loop back on, pull it tight, just like that. And we're going to keep going all the way back and forth until it gets your desired length. I usually do anywhere from about 15 to 17 inches, you know, depending on how big the person's head is that you're making this for. That will also depend on how long you make it. So I'm going to continue to do my rows and I will see you guys at the end. Alright guys, I just wanted to come on here. I'm like halfway done, but I wanted to come on here to let you know that you could stop it right here, take it off and sew it up, and this could be like a little cup warmer, you know, like for your coffee. It would be really cute. I haven't made one, but I'm just not thinking about it. Like, it just dawned on me. If you did more rows than 10, make it really long, you could do a scarf this way. Now I have done a scarf, you guys. It took forever, so I'm not doing a scarf. That's why I went right back to doing just headbands. But the scarves do turn out to be, you know, unique, one of a kind, and nice. Like, the stuff is really warm. So let's continue on with this ear warmer, then I'll be back.
till dawn. I let the retro slide the beating at your gut. I'll leave the body